In this video, we will review Bosch Rexroth Variable Frequency Drive and show how to install the multi-Ethernet communication module. Rexroth EFC has an output power range of 400 watts to 315 kilowatts. It can also run synchronous motors, and has built-in features like field-oriented control, EMC and mains filter, and safe torque off. Applications where a Rexroth EFC can be used are HVAC, woodworking machinery, food and packaging among others. To install a multi-Ethernet communication module that supports Ethernet IP, EtherCAT, Profinet, Circos 3, and Modbus TCP. Remove display panel, remove screws. Insert communication module. Place screws and tighten them. Insert display panel. For more information, visit us at our website or use the QR code below. Thank you for watching this video.